The common issue of rear AC heat not blowing in 2002 to 2006 Chevy Suburbans is often due to a faulty blower motor resistor. This resistor controls the speed of the rear blower motor, which circulates air for heating and cooling. Symptoms include the rear AC heat only blowing on high speed or not at all. Over time, resistors overheat due to high current draw, especially in humid climates where moisture corrodes electrical contacts. The fix typically involves replacing the blower motor resistor. This is a straightforward process, often combined with digital inspections using smartphone apps linked to vehicle sensors for accurate diagnostics. Remember to always disconnect the battery before starting any electrical work. Replacing the blower motor resistor is a DIY-friendly task. First, locate the resistor, typically under the driver's side dashboard or behind the rear seat panel. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety. Remove the old resistor, often a Dorman or AC Delco part, by unscrewing it and detaching the electrical connector. Inspect the connector for corrosion and clean if necessary. Install the new resistor and ensure it is securely fastened. Reconnect the electrical connector and the battery. Test the rear AC heat system to ensure all speeds are working correctly. Aftermarket solutions, including carbon composite resistors, offer improved durability. Digital diagnostics and YouTube tutorials can further aid in the repair process, making it accessible even for novice DIYers. Common user case studies report successful fixes within 30 minutes at a cost of around $50.